In this video, I will show you how to make dotted and dashed cut line, dotted and dashed cut lines with scissors in Microsoft Word. Keep your cursor anywhere, then insert symbol, more symbols, and in font select windings, and you will see this two type of scissor. Select anyone and insert. You can change font and size, color. Now type hyphen or multiple times. Similarly, insert symbol or symbol and select scissor. This time paste dots multiple times. So you have to type period for multiple times. Similarly, you can make line with scissor. So press shift and press and hold hyphen. So thanks for watching.